she is? In the car? Sweet. That's so awesome. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kaya. Happy birthday to you.
I'm Danielle, Kaya's mom, and today was her 14th birthday. She also got released from, or discharged from Children's Hospital, and the Yarmouth Police Department graciously came and picked her up and escorted her all the way home with a group of other cop cars, and they had their sirens going, and everyone was at the house outside cheering Kaya on as she came in. And we have a group here just celebrating her 14th birthday and the fact that she's finally home through all this time. She got a new heart on Easter, on March 30th, which was Easter, and so we're all here celebrating.
Hey, Rod.
I'm Kaya's grandma. My name is Maria, and I feel a great blessing today from above that we have Kaya back here with us, healthy, new heart, birthday today. She turned 14 years old. I mean, we are truly blessed by God.
And she's beaming today, doesn't she look good?
She looks great. She's happy. She looks good. Everything is going well. And I can't be any more happier than I am today.
Kaya, it's your birthday. You're finally home. You have a new heart. How are you feeling?
Fun.
Kaya, is that right?
What do you think about all this support? You have family and friends here. What are your emotions today?
Happy and overwhelmed.
But physically, you're feeling good.
Yeah.
What are some of the first things you're going to do when you're back to 100% health?
Dancing.